to make it easier to test or debug when using our products with DFN package. We have the adapter board. Now I'm going to show you how to weld. Firstly, we align the product pins with the adapter board. Then weld the pins on one side with the soldering iron and do the same on the other side. Skilled engineers can weld the products to the adapter board by dragging tin. Also do the same on the other side. If you want to weld the product on the system board, then we can use a heat gun to do it. Firstly, add a little solder paste on the system board and align the product and the bonding pads of the system board. Then, we use a heat gun to evenly heat it. It takes only 10 seconds to weld the product onto the system board. In reflow soldering process, you just need to set reflow soldering curve temperature according to the recommended profile in the datasheet. These are some welding methods of DFN products. Thank you and hope it helps.